This recipe is so incredibly convenient because we have replaced all the dry ingredients with a simple cake mix. Cake mixes and instant puddings are easy to use, budget-friendly, and save you a ton of prepping time. This banana bread made with cake mix and pudding is fluffy, soft, and packed with mouth-watering banana flavors. What you will need in making this recipe. Ingredients: 1 box yellow cake mix, 1 packet instant pudding powder, banana flavored. For large eggs, whisked. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. 1 cup of milk. 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. 3 ripe medium bananas, mashed. Powdered sugar, garnish, optional. Step by step. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit and make sure that the oven rack is in the middle position. Line the baking tin of your choice with non-stick baking paper on the bottom and non-stick cooking spray. Step 2. In a large bowl, sift together the yellow cake mix and the banana-flavored instant pudding. Next, create a well in the middle of the mixed dry ingredients and add the whisked eggs, vanilla essences, milk, and olive oil. Mix them with a whisk of the ingredients until they are just combined. Gently fold in the mashed banana until the mixture is just combined. Step 3. Pour the batter into the lined cake tin. Do not bang the cake tin against a table to remove air bubbles, so it will help the cake to rise. Bake the banana bread with cake mix and pudding. After 35 minutes, check whether the cake has been baked completely by testing it with a toothpick. If it is still raw inside, continue baking it for another 5 to 10 minutes or until it is done and golden brown. Step 4. Once fully baked, remove the cake from the oven and allow it to completely cool before decorating it. Then, when the cake has finally cooled, you can continue decorating it however you want. Decorating ideas. If you want to make a frosting for this banana bread, you can create a delicious coconut buttercream frosting, or simply whip up some cream cheese or mascarpone cheese. For garnish, we love adding some chopped walnuts, but hazelnuts, peanuts, or almonds work equally well. You can also add some toasted coconut flakes or chocolate shavings. For fresh fruit or freshly cut fruit, the ones that will pair best with this banana bread are berries, stone fruits, like plums and apricots, and tropical fruits. Tips and tricks. If you do not have non-stick baking paper or cooking spray, you can brush the cake tin with melted butter and lightly dust it with cake flour. Use the ripest possible bananas you can find. You can either mash the bananas to create a completely lump-free and smooth puree, or you can roughly mash them using a fork. You can also use vanilla-flavored instant pudding. You can substitute the milk with vegan milk like almond milk, coconut milk, or even macadamia milk. To make this recipe completely vegan, first, make sure to use a vegan cake mix and instant pudding. You can place this banana bread inside an airtight container or a cake storing container, and leave it at room temperature. The bread will stay fresh for up to 3 days. Alternatively, you can place it inside the fridge where it will stay moist and fresh for between 5 to 7 days. This is truly one of the best and easiest banana bread recipes you will ever find. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.